How's it going, you guys? Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. I want to show you quickly how to remove these wires when they're inserted in the back of this residential grade outlet. Now, this is commonly called speed wiring or backstabbing. And if you have plenty of wire length, okay, maybe you just go through with your side cutters, snip all those out, and then get a new outlet installed or whatever work you're doing at this electrical box. But often, our neutral and our hots are extremely short, so we don't want to shorten them any more than we have to. So how do we actually remove those from this outlet? It's actually pretty easy. You just need a flat screwdriver, something that is smaller than this slot. You need to put your hand so you can apply some pressure, and then hook your finger here so you can pull this wire out while you push in that screwdriver. So I'll push in the screwdriver and then just pull out that wire. And that's really all there is to it. It's one of those things that once you see it done, it's so much easier. But when you don't know what's going on in there, it can be pretty complex because your lighting might be poor. You might have bad access. The wires might be extremely short. But it should be literally this easy to get all those wires out. Now let me show you internally what's going on and also what I recommend for a better outlet for any DIYers taking on electrical projects around the house. So I'll remove the front cover, which is going to show us the guts or internals of this outlet. And let's zoom in right on this wire, this 14 gauge wire coming in, which will give you a better idea of exactly what's going on. And then you can see the little copper strands of wire right there. That would be those wires poking through the speed wire feature. And what actually holds them in is these small tabs. Those are the exact same tabs that we're going to push on with this flathead from the backside. So now I have the screwdriver from the backside. I'm going to press on that tab. You'll see it deflect, and then the wire will actually just kind of fall out. So now I'm pushing on it. You can see that deflects that tab, and that is what releases that wire. Now, it should be noted, once you remove the wire from a residential grade, it's one and done. You should not reuse this feature. I do not like this feature in general, but it is a one and done, and that means this outlet should not be speed wired again. You can use side wiring with the screw terminals. But in general, I recommend for all DIYers to go with commercial grade outlets. This is the Legrand commercial grade. There's a link in the description. This is the one I have in the electrical section for all my recommended tools and supplies. And it'll still give you a feature where you can go straight in with a stripped piece of wire and then tighten down the screw terminal where there's a plate that actually clamps down on that wire, which is a much better solution than the speed wiring we just talked about. Now, if you do have those short wires, check out this video right here. It'll walk you through 3 different options to get that remedied and also call out what code is for the length of wire coming out of electrical boxes. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.